When you're installing a geyser, there's a bunch of parts you're going to need. Luckily, there's these installation kits that have most of these extras covered. They come in two sizes, a 400 and a 600 kPa, depending on the geyser you're installing. Let's have a look at what's included. We have our PCV valve, a lever ball valve, 2 vacuum breakers, a 22mm straight female coupler, some 22mm copper fittings, there's 4 90-degree elbows, 3 T-equals, and 2 slip sockets. Then we have a flux and soldering kit, and to seal the fittings, 50 grams of hemp. Now remember, everything you need to install a geyser is available at Builders, and if you need an approved plumber, the guys in store will help get one too. This is just one of the many geyser installation kits available at Builders. For more, visit the Builders website or follow the YouTube channel.